Namaskar every one of you, this is Shilpa Shree here and I once again welcome all of you on my channel Mystic World. Breathe in. Today we are discussing about lower back pain. More than often we hear, my lower back is paining, मेरी कमर में दर्द हो रहा है. What is the reason for lower back pains? In the case of females, probably wearing long heels could be one of the reasons and is one of the reasons too. But when it comes to the quarantine period, especially in this time of isolation where we don't have to wear long heels or go anywhere out, we can have posture problems, especially in the youth of today, in the kids of today. They're lazing out in this isolation period. There is no activity left anymore for them to do. So they suffer from lower back pains. So this lower back pain problem is seen in males as well as females, in younger people as well as older people. So what do we do about it? Let's practice a mudra, Vittam Mudra. Vittam Mudra. Vittam Mudra belongs to the water element. Water element is represented by moon in astrology. So especially if you practice this mudra in the full moon days, in the days of Purnamashi, this is very effective, okay? But I suggest you to practice this mudra every single day, okay? And you can also donate on the full moon day. Donation is also helpful from an astrological point of view on the full moon day. Now let's come to the Vittam Mudra, okay? So all you have to do is you have to sit down the way I am sitting right now, okay? You have to keep your posture erect. You have to lengthen your spine, relax your shoulders, okay? And bring your both hands together like this. Make them face each other like this, okay? Keep them at a distance. Now when you inhale the breath, okay, like this, and when you exhale the breath like this, bring the hands like this. So in inhaling, you'll keep it like this, and exhaling, you'll bring it together, right? I'll give you a demo. Place it near your belly, okay? Lengthen your spine, relax your shoulders. So you just saw what I did, right? When I was inhaling, I kept them further. When I was exhaling, I brought them nearer. So this is how you are going to contain the energy field of this particular area, which will resonate with your root chakra, okay? So root chakra is where your lower back is, and this mudra is pertaining to your lower back pain, all right? Now as you can see, I have kept the root chakra stones in front of me. So if you keep the root chakra stones over here right in front of you while you're practicing, this will also enhance your root chakra. This will also enhance the energies of your root chakra. So this will further strengthen your lower back, because your root chakra is actually located, you know, at your lower back. So now understand, all the mudras that I have been mentioning time and again don't practice or don't give the result in one day. But if you know what exactly is the problem with your body, okay, if you know, for example, someone has a problem of digestion, someone has the problem of lower backache, you know, someone has the problem of kidneys. So different topics that I've been speaking about in all the videos. When you pick up one particular problem, all right, or two problems which you specifically know you're dealing with, like BP or sleep disorder, so you practice those mudras pertaining to those problems every single day, right? And at the end of 3 months or the end of 4 months, you'll be sorted, because this takes time. You know, if you, supposing the mudra, Vittam Mudra that I did today, this Vittam Mudra, when I'll be continuously doing every single day, so you know, you are getting charged up, your lower back is getting charged up. It can eventually give you the results. It doesn't happen overnight, right? So this was me, Shilpa Shree, speaking about Vittam Mudra for your lower back pain. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep liking, keep supporting. Namaskar.